You don't know, this is your girl Rakisha representing for Bad Bigs Entertainment Records. You have to tell you, say, I have a bad rhythm out called At Ice Rhythm. I have a song on it like Where Are You, Jaja from Lady Soul. Girl, come on, bad, my bad so from Simple. And one next song left on it called Dress Code from Rachapo. Yes, everybody wants to go check it out on Apple Music and Spotify. At Rhythm out, At Ice Rhythm. Yeah, you don't know. One Bad Bigs Entertainment Records.
Watch, you know, stand on the play. One play in the game I want to represent for Bad Bigs Entertainment. For the girl, come on, baby, Tony on the way.
Yeah, you don't need to go to I wanna hear you say yes, I wanna hear you say yes. Representing for none other than the Bad Mix. One TV and a Bad Mix TV. I want the DEM.
So I think legal and legit. So do the right thing and get the permit. What you mean in no just 1, 2, 3. So bring your picture them and you bring the fee. They get your thing. Legal, legal, legalize. Get legal, legal, legalize. In our art, a 1, 2, 3. So come on board with the parish MC. With the parish MC.
Fully active, fully active.
Don't go anywhere. Let's hear it for them again, ladies and gentlemen. We can do better than that, man. Louder. You want to encore? Say encore. Say encore. So we're going to do it again.
Up there.
Why you think legal and legit? So do the right thing and get the permit. What you mean in a just 1, 2, 3. So bring a picture them and you bring the fee. They get your thing. Legal, legal, legalize. Get legal, legal, legalize. In our art, a 1, 2, 3. So come on board with the parish MC. If you know I'm a permit,
thank you, thank you. Let's hear it again for Effortville Primary School. Come on board, come on board, come on board. Today is all about a fusion of beauty and regulations. Today we're complying, right? Because complying and beauty goes hand in hand, right? So we have a JP around the back. Yes, so if you're interested in getting your business registered, if you're interested in getting your license, today is the day to do just that, right? And remember to go around the booth, see what the different offerings they have, right? Yes? Yes, Mama? You're looking and feeling good today, right? Love to see it, love to see it. Want to say thank you to our sponsors, of course, because without them, it would not be possible. So I want to say thank you to National Commercial Bank Limited. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Juicy, Delect.
I see with because she said, Grace mackerel, Grace sardine, Grace bully beef. Remember Grace corned beef and sardine and mackerel, and the little regular one them. And the DBDB one that will scratch your throat. Mommy to you will near by yourself them. Don't go far and come link me. They're going to up the sun. So I know a nice girl in black and white. You gonna see me? You see her. Tell her you win the Grace product. Here? Hello, sir. Come here. How much your bag juice? You can't sell it for $50 now because it's not Grace Mac juice, so you're going to sell it for 40. Excuse me. Daddy, we want some nice host. Talk to them because you know what crazy this down here today. Whole heap of fun and enjoyment.
Now we have to pick up our sponsors because without them it would not be possible. So Concrete Company, National Conserve Company, National Commercial Bank, Delect, Juicy, Champ Cosmetics, Grace Kennedy.
Talk to my co-host.
So you don't see
put on your chest. You see, I push up your chest like picture, but you don't see promise.
Like that.
People, if she can't dance, so no, who are you know? What me sound up to do? Me say she can't dance, so what I gonna do her? Them a go boo you, come out here so come dance. They go like you're a bad dancer. Hey. So like how we call him a dancer, what do you think you're gonna hear? Papa, pizza, pillar, minute, bartend, singer. Them their old song. So you want new song? I want a whole song me I go play for your dance. DJ, drop that one there. Oh, you can't dance. You can't dance. We are there. We are there. We are there. We are there. She know what I want. Yeah. We are. She know it.
Don't play with that.
Hey! You're bad dancer for true. You're bad for true. You're bad, but me like all the dimples them look like guys from police. Them deep. You want another one now she can't stay, she can't angle now. Up in her age group now. Cause you were gonna, she just dance for her granny and her auntie a while ago. And her uncle them. Where you used to go rate out. Yeah. Where we reach now? Where we reach now? Compliance! Beauty! And it's sure! The big sure! Oh no! Oh! Yeah! That goes a tight in a while ago. You think me out tear out. You don't tear out.
You're good.
Alright. Big up yourself, my friend. Come here. What is the name of which school is? Name Abigail from Lionel High School in town. Big up yourself, Mommy D. Just all who win, just don't go far.
No, don't leave.
Don't leave. Come here, I'm gonna go with me. I'm gonna take the things and carry them on town.
But make care.
Abigail, come here. Come for your thing.
She's so good.
Yeah, but stay near. Yeah, alright. Big up yourself. Daniel, talk to them and then go look more what I want to do.
Don't leave.
Hey!
Surprises and all all these things are going on.
Later on,
Performances.
we have performances.
Yeah.
I don't know this, I never said performance. I said performances.
Yeah, that's one.
Can you know who will perform? Anybody come tell me who will perform? Who? Who said Roger Wild? Rock band, come out here. Roger Wild will not be here.
No, not today. Not at this stage.
Just later on when the artist come up here and him say, come on, baby, to the other.
Yeah.
I want to know later on.
Yeah.
And then who are they meet woman?
So I can spell it out. It's Tifa, so you don't want to miss it. Yeah?
Them don't know who they are, so you have to tell them.
She had the BADDEST. That is it.
Okay.
That's what it is.
Remember, say, some of them children here, they're not really learning anything at school, you
No,
know.
man, I spelling bee champion in there.
I need 2 spelling bee champion coming. Because somehow when they go to see it, them are run.
No.
Them are run.
A bright
Who
spot,
know?
you know.
Some of them, I see me people, let me tell you this. When me I go to school, me never so bright.
That's a bright
No, me did bright, you know.
Bright.
No, me did bright, like me did know, say, R-A-T a cow, C-A-T a rat,
Which is-
and them thing, them, me did that bright them. But,
It is special.
yeah, but it's special.
Yeah, that
So,
one there.
you know, my teacher was a wicked teacher. Put me under the big fan. So when she a teach, me not have a clue what she a say. Yeah. So, the father make being eyes over me. Woo. So when she a say C-O-W a cow, R-A-T a rat, me not hear. And when school over now, me just teach for book.
A scrappy.
No, stop it. That stop here when they're in the classroom, I have deep in the book.
Alright.
When them done and them a play football and I run up and down,
Yeah.
the bright boy in the class,
Yeah.
just thief in book.
Oh gosh.
I just write down everything. So you have now going to exam. I'm say name.
They're gonna say right to name, you know.
They don't feel name right.
No.
I him get the whole of my grades them. So all of the exam them I do everything they write. Before me write, I don't tell them the real name. Before me write my real name, I write female. You know why my last name too? Mackenzie. You want to hear in my family.
Maybe in the case of bright spot, so it's possible. Yeah?
But people, we promise you a very good show today. I want to say big respect to the barbers, the upcoming barbers.
Yes.
We want to say
all the beauticians, hairdressers, nail tech,
listen me.
the makeup artists,
These hairdressers here
The bad.
and beauty salon people them, I know that learning very properly. You go to some of the people them and you see when them do your hair and the girl them, wait there, happy feet, wait there, the nail dog wig. Some of them look like it's duct tape, taping dog in chicken
not them beauticians.
and the barber them shear those sharp. So when them the people them, they look like jump grudge or breaks in them ear and them thing. No.
not these beauticians.
So we're gonna have a live show here today, and we have our judges. We're gonna judge you,
Big
and we're gonna send you out in the world.
Big competition.
And I promise,
Yeah.
the barber will win. You're gonna sign it as my barber.
Oh, that's a big deal.
Yeah.
A big deal.
I remember I have nice ear like Bambino. My earline the way up here, so you know I got no whole heap of work for
Big
you.
up Bambino from
Yeah, big up Bambino in the place, Fire 105. See it, and you know it go. So people, just enjoy yourself, use your phone, snap, show the gross man
Yeah,
where you're there.
check out
So
all
you're
the
there
booths
some
there.
nice place.
Yeah.
Go to the booths,
Yeah,
check out the booths, them ask about information.
Yes.
Some of them on a bank account, do not save on the mattress. Go home one account over NCB.
business
And the link,
registered.
I know the link has something to do with the link and the link and the link and the link. So go check them. Right, all the people we are getting beaten to them digestive biscuit for go to school and them thing. Go over Yummy. Go see if you can get a contract for breaks type. You can make the penny them have nice breaks and lunch to go to school. And Grace will tell you how to prepare the breakfast for the kids. Because breakfast is the most important meal for the day.
That is it.
When a child go to school without breakfast, they don't learn nothing. Only thing that on their brain is food.
Yeah, but I'm hungry.
So you have to send out the kids with a full, not really a full stomach, but them have niggeritis and job sleep in their class, but
a nutritious meal.
Nutritious meal for the day.
That is it.
So, we're going to play a little more music and just make
Nice
them enjoy the place.
Nice
And I see a long line here, I don't know what they're going, a juicy.
Hey guys, so we're setting up the nail salon today. Both that is an online store, so you guys can buy that.
I'm missing people, are you ready?
a course, a day of course, $60,000. It sounds like a lot of money, but believe me,
I miss the people, are you ready?
one more.
Oh, run the
$60,000.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. DJ
Good.